Authorities raided the alleged private residence of the so-called big bosses of Pogo Hubs over the weekend. The compound has a man-made lake, a floating house, a firing range, a helipad, and a 50-meter tunnel, among others. Authorities said 3 mansions were constructed inside the compound. Residents living nearby called the area the White House and said the construction of the compound started since 2019. The Porac local government said no building permit was secured for the compound.
Sa harap po, dating bahay na kasi ito, kaya hindi mo naman makikita from outside na merong gumagawa. Sabi ko nga po, unless siguro na makapasok ka doon at makikita mo na may ginagawa. Kaya mag-apply sila for a building permit.
To tell us more about this, we have PAOK spokesperson Winston Casio on the line.
Good morning po ulit, sir.
Good morning, Angelo and Angela.
Apo. First and foremost po, kasama po ba ang PAOK dito po sa nangyaring recent raid doon sa supposedly resort ng mga Pogo sa Pampanga?
Hindi po. Hindi naman po kasi kailangan tuwing may mga raids sa mga law enforcement agencies ay kasama lagi ang PAOK.
But first and foremost, ang PAOK po ba ay alam itong resort na ito na parang 5 kilometers away from the Pogo Hub in Porac, Pampanga?
Yeah, opo. Alam po namin yon, kaya lang hindi po kasi namin hindi pa po namin kasi naikasa ang application ng warrant noon kasi busy pa kami dito sa pagsasara nitong mga nauna nating mga napasok ng mga illegal pogos.
Spokesman Winston, I don't know if you're privy to the information, pero 2 Filipinos daw were arrested during this raid, no? Ano po yung context ng pagka-arrest sa kanila po? Could you tell us more about this?
Well, given that we were not privy to the raid, medyo mahirapan kaming i-confirm yung ilang mga detalye noon, no? So, we will just wait for copies of the report if they would deem it appropriate na bigyan kami ng kopya.
Okay.
Meron po ba tayong kumbaga knowledge na kung sakasakali dito po pumunta yung mga ibang mga Pogo involved persons dito sa Pogo, sa Porac, Pampanga, dito po sila tumakas? Is that a possibility?
Alaman po namin generally na mga ganoon na mga situation, no, na may mga tinatakasan po sila, pero with regards to this particular Pogo resort, hindi namin alam na doon sila nagsipagtaguan. Pero initially alam na po namin yung ilang detalye noon with regards to the particular resort lang po, ano. Alam namin na may mga underground tunnels po sila, alam po namin na may mga firing ranges and so on and so forth. Pero para ikasa yung operation laban doon, hindi kasi namin prioritize gawa ng alam namin na mas importanteng maisara muna yung Fontana, yung kanilang taguan doon sa Fontana kasi nandoon yung mga dokumento ng ilang mga foreign nationals na hinahabol namin.
Yung ano po, going back po dun sa Pogo Hub sa Porac, Pampanga, hindi po itong resort nito na recently raided by the Pampanga authorities, ano. May sinasabi po sila, may nakita daw po doon na mga incinerator. Can you tell us more about it?
Yung incinerator na yan, most likely, we're uncertain as to whether kung ginamit sila sa krimen or what, no, at this point. Pero just like any other incinerator, they could, they probably use that also for disposal of their garbage. Now, then again, we have to check kung yung incinerator nila ay may permit o wala. Kasi incinerators are bound by the Clean Air Act, no?
Yes.
So, to sell, to buy, to possess an incinerator, you must have the necessary permit from the Environmental Management Bureau.
So far po, wala pa po tayong alam kung merong permit sila doon or wala?
Yeah. Opo. In as much as far as we are concerned, until and unless we'd be able to find any evidence that would link that incinerator to, let us say, cremation of human remains, that for us, that would be a trivial fact na lamang po at this point.
Siguro hingi na lang din po kami, sir, update po sa inyo tungkol dito po sa mga big bosses ng Pogo na ninyo pong naaresto na at meron pa po ba kayong mga minamanmanan at ilang mga Pogo hubs pa po yung inyo pong nakikita na gumagawa po ng mga illegal activities?
Yes, ma'am. As always po, our lines of communications are open. Thank you po.
Yun nga po, no? Tanong ko lang din po yung update dun po sa mga big bosses dito po sa mga na-raid na Pogo Hub.
Yes. Yung
Update
mga
po
big
sa kanila.
bosses po, yeah. They're still here. We're still tracking a good number of them, no? May mga ikinasa rin pong mga mission orders, yung Immigration Bureau para sa ilan sa kanila. And God willing, we'll be able to capture a good number of them within the next few days and weeks siguro.
So far, thank you so much po for your time. That is PAOK spokesperson Winston Casio.
Thank you very much po.